Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is dessert week, so I decided to do Krispy Kreme donuts, guys. Now these donuts are new at Krispy Kreme. They're called dessert donuts. Alright, so here's a close-up on the donut. This is the banana pudding donut. I can't wait to try that, guys. I really can't wait to try it. And this one is called the Mississippi Mud Pie. That looks amazing. And this is the coconut cake. I love coconut. So these all look great. Can't wait to dig in. All right, so which one should I try first? I think I'm gonna go with the coconut. I mean, I always work this way. I think the banana cream pie might be my favorite. I don't know, but let's try the coconut cake donut. It's new. So I'm gonna upload this 2 weeks from now because I'm uploading the dessert week videos are 2 weeks from now. I wanna just get this out there so I don't have to worry about it. And my mom's coming next week. I don't have to I won't have time to do these videos. So that's why I'm hoping these are still available in 2 weeks, but I'll give you my opinion. Let's check out the coconut cake. First off, it's really sweet. But yeah, after a while I can taste the coconut. It's really good. So the topping is a cream cheese and a shredded coconut. I just want to try to taste just this frosting first. I'm going to see if I can taste the coconut just from the cake, not just from the frosting. Oh yeah. I think you can taste it more in the cake part. It's really good. It's really good. It's really sweet though. So people who prefer Dunkin' Donuts over Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme is sweeter. The thing about me, I feel like Dunkin' Donuts isn't as fresh, but it's not as sweet, and they're more like cake donuts. Krispy Kreme is more sweeter, but they are more fresher, I think. But they're really sweet. Here's the back of it. Oh, I forgot to say I have some coffee to drink. Coffee and donuts. So I have to do work soon, so it's about 3:45. I have to leave in 15 minutes. Trying to get this video out before I have to go to work. It's kind of like a rush. My videos are just rush. Like, it takes so much work and energy to do my videos. Just like all the lighting. I have to make sure I'm wearing the shirt. I look good today. And it's a lot of work to do videos. It's not, people want me to do videos every day, but it's really hard. You know, today I wasn't feeling very good. I was kind of low energy and just had a lot of thoughts on my mind and about life in general, you know. So it's, I don't know, it's just really hard to do videos. But yeah, it's really good. So I don't think I'll be finishing all these donuts because there's a lot. I can't eat a lot of sweets, guys. All right, so next let's try this Mississippi Mud Pie. So this one has a nice chocolate pie cream. It also has some, if you can see it, it has some chocolate icing right there. And it's also topped with cookie and graham crumbles and marshmallow drizzle. You guys see the marshmallow drizzle? So this has a lot going on. So I'm excited to try this out for you guys. Let's try it out. This is definitely thicker than the coconut cream. By the way, in case you're curious, these donuts cost $1.99 each. So I saw a video on these donuts and I thought they got like a special for like $3.49 or something, but this was like, maybe this is when it first came out. I think I'm a week late, but yeah, so these are $1.99 each. I didn't get like a special for $3, but I didn't really get much flavoring from this. Let's try another bite. I think there's chocolate filling in here. It tastes a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of marshmallow, not much of flavoring. Try another bite. You can see the chocolate cream. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit in there. Not much. So I guess it's good if you like chocolate. I'm not really getting the flavor of the cooking and graham crumbles. I'm not getting much flavor of the marshmallow drizzle, more it's like the chocolate. So this donut is really filling. It's good. I still like this one best. I do like coconut, so this one's just like a little bit too much for me. I don't know. Too much going on. It's too big. I don't know. All right, guys, let's try this donut. This is the banana pudding one. It's filled with banana pudding and topped with a fluffy cream and vanilla wafer cookies. You guys see that wafer cookies? I'm excited to try this one out. Let's try it out. All right, I'm not getting much of, you know, the vanilla. I'm not getting much of the banana pudding because I had to take a few more bites. But let's try another bite. Getting a little bit, but I still need more bites. Let's try this vanilla cookie right here. Soft, not crunchy. These are all very sweet, guys. All right, let's try another bite. This frosting right here on top is so good. Like this, this right here. Right here. I don't know. Really good. It's very sweet, very sweet. I think if you don't like very sweet donuts, you may not like Krispy Kreme because, well, especially these kind of donuts where there's sugar on top, there's sugar in the middle. This one's really good because it's not like a lot of sugar inside, so it's not like a lot of sugar, but I'll give you one more last bite of the banana cream pie donut. Me too, bites. It's really good. The banana cream pudding is really good. It tastes like banana cream. But for me, these two are just too much for me with the inside. It's just way overly sweet. I'm very surprised, but I like this one the most. It's just simple. Not too much sugar, not too much cream. It's just like, I know, it's perfect. And there's coconut, you know, you can taste the coconut on top and in the cake. In the cake donut, not just on top. We're not just in the cake. And I really love coconut, so this is the winner for me. So this one's my favorite. This is my second favorite. This is my third favorite. To rate it, I would say I would give this one 4 stars, the banana one 3.5, and the Mississippi mud pie probably 3 stars. All right, I gotta go to work soon in a couple of minutes. This is rush, rush, rush. I gotta go to work, guys. I barely have time to make videos. I just rush, rush, rush every day. I'm hoping they're still available, even though I did make this video 2 weeks before it's gonna come out. It was, so by the time so by the time you see this video, it might have been 5 weeks since these donuts have been out. So hopefully you can still get them and let me know. But like I said, I prefer this coconut one the best. I just love it so much. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see what other people have done of dessert videos. Are they gonna do donuts? Donuts is a popular theme, I think, for dessert because it's easy. You don't have to eat a whole bunch. A small donut is really not that much, you know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.